Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Holy Prophet was born in 571 AD by April on Monday. Father name Hazrat Abdullah, mother name Hazrat Amna. Maternal grandfather name Wahid bin Abdul Manaf. Maternal grandmother Batara. Real name of Abu Muttalib was Sahaba. First pastor mother was Surya, who was mother of Hamza. For 6 years, Halima took care of Prophet. For 2 years, Abdul Muttalib took care of Prophet. After 7 days, the Aqiqah ceremony of Prophet, peace be upon him, was held. Prophet belonged to Banu Hashim clan of Quraysh tribe. Among uncles, Abbas and Hamza embraced Islam. Amina was buried at Abwa BSW, Makkah and Medina. 6 months before the Prophet's birth, his father died. Prophet had no brother and no sister. Foster father of Prophet was Haris. At the age of 15, Harbi Fajr took place. Harbi Fajr means war fought in the provided months. First father-in-law of Prophet was Walid. Amina belonged to Bani Zuhra tribe. Umar and Hamza accepted Islam in 615 AD, 15 Nabawi. Social battle of Banu Hashim took place in 7th Nabawi. Sahab means valley. Social boycott continued for 3 years. A group of Medina met Prophet in 11 Nabawi. A crown of Uqba took place in 13 Nabawi. On 27 Rajab, 10 Nabawi, the event of Miraj took place. Tin Nabawi was called Amul Hazan, year of grape. Name of the camel on which Prophet was riding in migration was Qaswa. Umar bin Hisham was the original name of Abu Jahl. Abul Hakim is the title of Abu Jahl. Person included in Baitul Uqba Ula Bara and Baitul Uqba Sani 75. Cave of Hijrah is 3 miles from Makkah. Hazrat Adam met with Holy Prophet on the first heaven, Hazrat Isa and Hazrat Yahya on second, Hazrat Yaqub on third, Hazrat Idris on fourth, Hazrat Harun on fifth, Hazrat Musa on sixth, Hazrat Ibrahim on seventh heaven. Al-Qasba is the name of camel on which Prophet traveled. Prophet purchased mosque land at Medina from 2 urban Sil and Suhail. Character of Medina was issued on 1 AH. It had 57 articles. Transfer of Qibla was ordered in 2nd Hijri 18 month 27 total of Azwaz. जंगी बदन अक्सर and to his age 311 Muslim part and button no of hadith collected by Abu Hurairah Prophet Hazrat Noah salam known as Sahil Anbiya Abi Ubaidah bin Jarrah was entire Amin al-Ummat. Baitul Mamur is on seven heaven. Four kings of Islam and Holy Prophet sent them letters. Mosque of Zarar was demolished by Prophet Hazrat Ali conquered the port of Zamus. Lady named Zainab tried to position to the Holy Prophet. Prophet read Surah Al-Fatiha at the conquest of Makkah. Hashim was grandfather of Prophet and brother of Muttalib. The name Muhammad was proposed by Abdul Muttalib, while the name Ahmad was proposed by Bibi Amina. Migration from Mecca to Abyssinia took place in the 7th month of the 5th year of the mission. Second migration to Halbuk took place in chase of Sola AD. Second migration to Abyssinia civic people with Atara females. Baitul Mamur is a place where 70,000 angels were congregation during the after Amin's death. Amin looked after Prophet after Harbi Fajar. Prophet took part in Harbi Fazul. Prophet made second business trip to Syria in 24th year of repent. Friend of Khadija Nafisa cried message of Nikah. Sure name of Halima Sadiya was Kawada. Sure name of Prophet was Abdul Qasim. Later, the Prophet was Shiba was month of Abdul Rahman bin Auf. Abdullah died in 160 AD. Grandmother name Fatima. 10 is the number of uncles and 6 aunts. Prophet journeyed to Syria with Abu Talib at Bara years. At purchase Prophet married to Hazrat Khadija accepted Islam first and women in all. Hazrat Abu Bakr accepted first and men. Work of the Prophet for the first time. Holy Prophet had 4 daughters and 3 sons. At the age of 40, Holy Prophet received first wahi and Chisobai said the Holy Prophet migrated to Medina. Hazrat Halima was the first mother of Holy Prophet. Name the first mother of the Holy Prophet Hazrat Halima Hazrat Swami Hazrat Holy 6 years after the birth of Holy Prophet Hazrat Amna died. Shima was the first sister of Holy Prophet Hazrat located after the Holy Prophet 4 years. Why Papa would have used to spread throne in the way of Prophet and for their prophethood home of Hazrat Ramadan used as the center of civil positioning by the Holy Prophet instead of Ban Hashim began. Like this video and subscribe my channel.